Alright, let's jump into the all-new OPPO Reno 13 Pro and its sibling, the OPPO Reno 13. This is a game-changing upgrade in the Reno series, and today, we'll break down everything you need to know step by step. So, first move to the design. The OPPO Reno 13 Pro introduces a premium and understated design. Unlike the usual flashy Reno phones, this one opts for a satin finish with a glass back, giving it a sleek yet elegant look. The shiny top layer complements the matte satin texture underneath. Both phones feel luxurious in hand. Weight and build. Reno 13 Pro weighs 194.5 grams, while the Reno 13 is slightly lighter at 182.4 grams. Both feature a metal glass sandwich design with Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, ensuring durability. Now move to the display. The Reno 13 Pro boasts a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with 5K resolution and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, providing a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. Key highlights: 1200 nits brightness in high brightness mode. Supports HDR10+ for immersive Netflix and YouTube streaming. Thin bezels with over 94% screen-to-body ratio, offering an edge-to-edge experience. 3840 Hz PWM dimming to reduce eye strain. The standard Reno 13 features a slightly smaller 6.59-inch flat AMOLED display but retains the same crisp resolution and refresh rate. Now move to the performance. This is where the Reno 13 series takes a big leap. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, both devices deliver impressive performance. Antutu score: 1.4 million, almost double the Reno 12 series. RAM storage. Reno 13 Pro, 12GB LPDDR5X RAM with 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. Reno 13 base variant starts at 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Gaming is smooth, with support for BGMI at 90fps and adaptive frame booster for 120fps gaming. Thermals stay under control even during extended gaming sessions. Now move to the battery and charging. Battery life is another strong point. Reno 13 Pro packs a 5800 mAh battery, while the standard model has 5600 mAh. Both support 80W Super VOOC charging, providing super fast top-ups. Now move to the camera. The Reno series is renowned for its cameras, and the Reno 13 series is no exception. Reno 13 Pro, 50MP Sony primary sensor for sharp and vibrant photos. 50MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom for detailed portraits. 8MP ultrawide lens for expansive shots. 50MP selfie camera with 4K video recording at 60fps. Reno 13. Similar 50 megapixels primary sensor but lacks the telephoto lens. Camera modes include Pro mode, night mode, slow motion, and even an underwater mode for IP68 certified waterproof photography. AI photography features like reflection eraser and AI portrait mode take post-processing to the next level. Now move to the software and user experience. Both phones run ColorOS 15 on Android 15, offering a clean and customizable user experience. Promised 3 years of major updates and 4 years of security updates. New features like seamless share and beacon link enhance connectivity and data sharing across devices. Now move to the connectivity. The Reno 13 series comes packed with advanced connectivity options. eSIM support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and IR Blaster. Dual 4G Volt and Wi-Fi calling are also supported. Now move to the audio and multimedia. With stereo speakers, HDR10+ support, and Widevine L1 certification, the Reno 13 series offers a fantastic multimedia experience. You can even boost audio by 300% for loud and clear sound. Now move to the pricing. While official prices weren't confirmed at the time of testing, it's estimated that Reno 13 Pro, around 45,000 rupees. Reno 13, around 35,000 rupees. The OPPO Reno 13 Pro and Reno 13 stand out with balanced features, offering stylish designs, robust performance, impressive cameras, and excellent multimedia capabilities. While the Reno series has traditionally been camera-focused, this time, performance and design get the spotlight too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated. See you next time.